You know, I've been doing this for 46 years. I launched Cooks in 1980. And throughout all that time, I've never really had the opportunity to speak directly to you about what I really think, about cooking techniques or recipes, or all the people I've met or interviewed over the years. James Beard, Julia Child, Alice Waters, Nigella Lawson. What do they really like when they're not on stage or they're not on television? And also all the people I've met around the world, who brought me into their homes, shared meals with their family with me, and what they think about cooking, how they think about cooking. There's this whole world of influencers and TikTok and TV, etc. But underneath all that, there's the real world of cooking, like how it really works and what people really think. It's a really interesting world. And I'd like to share that with you, and in my own voice, in my own way. Obviously, I have opinions. I know you guys have opinions too. So I get to hear from you. You get to hear from me. Every week I'll do live interviews on Substack as well, sort of getting behind the scenes with mostly people you've heard of before in the food world. And I think it's going to be fun. It's a chance for me to actually, pierce the corporate veil and speak out loud the way I really see the world of cooking. So I welcome you to the Substack, and I'm really looking forward to having a great back and forth.